Howdy peeps! Today is Wednesday. You should have had a math test yesterday. So it's Wednesday the 15th. Hopefully things went okay for you guys on the math test. Today we're going to be talking about lesson 96, rounding to the nearest dollar. So we've been working on rounding all year, knowing that 4 or below, go low, 5 or above, go high, which is the digit that is next to the one that is going to be rounded, is what we look at. With Ellie the elephant, her trunk would swing to the right. Well, we are going to take it up a notch today because we're going to be talking about rounding to the nearest dollar, but we're also going to have probably like 2 steps to problems, which, you know, things are getting trickier, but you guys are growing in your knowledge of math and probably doing just fine with it. But not only are we going to have to round, but then we're going to have to add or subtract. So there are more pitfalls in getting an answer 100% correct, but that's some of what we're going to be going over today. All right, so I have some examples on my handy dandy whiteboard. We're going to take a look at some dollar amounts here, and you know me and my love of drawing things out. It just helps me remember things, it helps me understand, it may help you too. So in this problem we're given $2.89 and we're told to round it to the nearest dollar amount. Okay, so rounding to the nearest dollar amount, of course, this is the digit that we're talking about because this is the dollar place value in this question. And the change is over here. Now, where typically when we're rounding, we're going to be looking to the right to the digit that's next to it to determine whether or not you're going to round up or round down. In this case, we are going to be talking about the entire dollar amount right here. So we are going to be looking at the digit that is right here. So between $2.89 is going to be between $2 and $3. Now, right in the middle, we know would be $2.50. And so I just kind of drew a picture of that for you. And then I put a star where $2.89 is going to fall. So when we look at it on this number line, is it closer to $2 or closer to $3? It's going to be closer to $3. Okay, now there are going to be times where they're going to ask us to round the change to the nearest 10, but this is different because we're talking dollar amounts. Okay, so $2.89 is going to round to $3. And then we have $1.51, and I picked this one because it sounds like it's kind of just right in the middle, except it's not, right? Okay, so if we have $1 on this side and we have $2 here, $1.50 is directly in the middle with this little mark right there. Now below it, I put the star where $1.51 would be. Is it closer to 2 or closer to 1? It's going to be closer to $2. So if we had a word problem and they were telling us to add together 2 small items that we had, again at Target, you can tell, it must be my favorite store, $2.89 and round them to the nearest dollar, then add them together, how much money would we need? $2.89 is going to go to $3, and then $1.51 is going to round to $2. When we add those together, we have $3 plus $2, and we know easily that that's $5. But what I want you to see is we need to be extra careful with problems like these because it's 2-step problems, and if you get the rounding wrong, can you get the addition or subtraction right? No. Okay? So if they tell you to estimate to the nearest dollar, make sure you do that correctly. Then you have to worry about your computation, adding and subtracting, making sure that we're going very carefully with that to get our final answer of $5. And then I just threw another problem down here of rounding, forgot my dollar sign, -1, right? Okay, so if I've got $4.39 down at the bottom, and then I have $4 on this side, and then when I have $5 on this side, where is $4.39 going to fall? Is it going to be closer to $4 or closer to $5? Well, you're going to look at your 3 here. So the 3 tells us that we're closer to the $4 instead of the $5. Okay? So you've got lots of practice on today's lesson to be learning how to round to the nearest dollar. And I think that's it for today.